Good morning children. Today now class 6th class subject is maths. First chapter 1 exercise 1.5. Open page number everyone, page number 12. Now I am going to explain you exercise 1.5. In exercise 1.5 we have some word problems. So see first word problem. The number of people who visited during Commonwealth Games in New Delhi for the first 4 days was recorded as 15,290, 14,181, 14,235 plus and 10,578. Find out the total number of people visited in these 4 days. In New Delhi, the Commonwealth Games are held. So for that Commonwealth Games, in first day, how many members came to for Commonwealth Games? First day 15,290. And next, second day how many members came to Commonwealth Games? 14,181. Next, third day how many members came? 14,235 members. And next, last fourth day how many members came to Commonwealth Games? 10,578 people came to Commonwealth Games. For the Commonwealth Games, first day 15,290 members came, and second day 14,181 members, and third day 14,235, and for last fourth day 10,578 members came to the Commonwealth Games. So here asking question, total how many members came to the Commonwealth Games? So total means what we have to do? We have to do the additions. Total means we have to do addition. If we are doing addition for all the people, we will get total numbers we came to the Commonwealth Games. Now first go for ones place. Addition will start from ones place, no? So this is a ones place. First 0. Here 1, 5, 8. So 0 plus 1, if you are adding 0 to any number, we will get that number only. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 8, how much? 14. 6 plus 8, 14. So 4 here, 1 here. Okay, now next. Tens place. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 3, how much? 22. 21. 21 plus 7, 28. So 8 here, 2 here. Next, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 5, how much? 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5, 12. So 2 here, 1 here. Next, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 0, 14. 4 here, 1 here. Next, last. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So total how many members came to the Commonwealth Games? 5,000. Sorry. Total people visited to Commonwealth Games. Total people visited to Commonwealth Games. Therefore, total people visited to Commonwealth Games is equals to how many members? 54,284 members is the answer. First day, second day, third day and fourth day, these many members are came. So you are asking what is the total numbers they visited to the Commonwealth Games. So we did addition all the numbers. Next we got therefore total people visited to the Commonwealth Games is equals to total how many members came in that 4 days? 54,284. This is the first problem. Okay, na? Next, see the second problem. Second one. First read the problem. In Lok Sabha elections, the elected candidate got 5,87,500 votes and defeated candidate got 3,52,768 votes. By how many votes did the winner win the elections? In Lok Sabha elections lo candidates, 2 elections ante 2 members untaru kada. So first winner candidate ki how many votes they came? Winner candidate. Winner candidate got how many votes? Votes is equals to how many got? 5,87,500 votes. And next, defeated candidate means those who lost the elections. Defeated candidate got votes is equals to 3,52,768 votes. So first winner candidate got 5,87,500 votes, and next defeated, those who lost the elections, they got he got 3,52,768. So by comparing this, who got more votes? First candidate, those who win the elections, he got more votes by comparing to the other person. So here asking the question, what is the difference of the votes? Ante itadiki enni votes different lo win ayyaru. So difference means we have to do subtraction. First candidate got how many votes? 5,87,500 votes. No. Second candidate got 3,52,768 votes. So here we are asking difference means we have to do subtraction. If we are subtracting from the winner votes to the loser votes, we got the difference. No. So first here 0 is there means 0 means here nothing is there. So we should not do the subtraction. No, we have to take carry from the other number. Sorry, borrow from the other number. So here it will become this 10. Okay, 10 minus 8 how much? 2. 10 minus 8 2. So here already we took borrow. So here itself it become 9. 9 minus 6 how much? 3. Next, here already we gave to one number to here, no. So here it become 4. So 4 we should not do subtraction from the 4 to 7 because 4 is a smaller number, no. So again we have to take borrow. So here it will become 14. 14 minus 7 how much? 7. Next, here 7 is there. So 7, from 7 we gave 1 to 5. Here now it become here 6. So 6 minus 2 how much? 4. Next, 8 minus 5. 8 is a bigger number, so we will do the subtraction. 8 minus 5 3. Next, 5 minus 3 2. So how many votes he got? More votes, 2,34,732. Therefore the winner got votes is equals to how many? 2,34,032 more votes. The winner got more votes. How many more votes he got? Is equals to 2,34,732. inni votes toni itanu win ayyadu. Okay na. Next, third problem. Any minutes ayin teacher? Inkoka 5 minutes unnadi. Next, third one. Write the greatest and smallest 5-digit number formed by the digits 53407 and find the difference. So here given some digits. What are the digits? 5, 3, 4, 0 and 7. So by using these digits you have to make one greatest number, greater number, and one smaller number, and next we have to do the difference of the numbers. Difference. So first what is the greater number we will get by using these digits. అంటే పెద్ద నెంబర్ ఏమొస్తుంది మనకి, పెద్ద నెంబర్ రావాలంటే ఏంటి, డిసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో, అంటే పెద్ద నెంబర్ నుంచి చిన్న నెంబర్ రాసుకుంటే మన గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది. సో ఈ డిజిట్స్లో పెద్ద నెంబర్ ఏంటి 7, అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ బిగ్ నెంబర్ ఈజ్ 5, నెక్స్ట్ బిగ్ డిజిట్ ఈజ్ 4, 3, 0. సో ఈ డిజిట్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తూ దీనికంటే పెద్ద నెంబర్ని మనం రాయగలుగుతామా, లేదు. సో అందుకే మనకి ఈ డిజిట్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తూ వచ్చిన గ్రేటర్ నెంబర్ ఏంటి 75,430. నెక్స్ట్ ఈ డిజిట్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తూ మనము స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ని రాయాలి. స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ అంటే అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో రాయాలి. అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్లో రాయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మనకి చిన్న నెంబర్. సో 0 ఈజ్ నాట్ valuable number digit, so we will write first smallest number 3 after next smallest number, next 4, next 5, 7. So this is the smallest number. 30,457 is the smallest number we got by using these digits. So we have to do the difference. How we will do the difference? By doing a subtraction. So difference, how we will got the difference? 75,000 is the greatest number, and next take smallest number 30,457. So difference, asking difference means we have to do subtraction. So see here 0 minus 7, 0 is a smaller number, so we should not do subtraction to the 0. So that's why I am taking borrow to from other number. So 10 minus 7, here we get 3. Okay na? Next here 2 is there, but 2 minus 5, we should not subtract from 2 minus 5. So 2 is the smaller number, we should not do subtraction. So again I am taking borrow from here itself it become 12 minus 5, 7. Okay na? Next here we will get here we have 4, but we gave 1 to here, no? So here itself becomes 3 minus 4, we should not do subtraction because 3 is the smaller number. So again we take borrow from the 5, here itself become 13 minus 4, here 13, no? 13 minus 4, how much we will get? 9, no? Next 5 means here already we gave to 1, no? It become here 4 minus 0, we will get 4, 7 minus 3 we will get, 7 minus 3 is 4. So what is the difference? 44,973 is the difference. By using these digits, greatest number and smallest number, and this is a difference. Okay na? Next fourth one. See fourth one. 4 problems I will explain. Remaining all problems you have to do yourself. Fourth problem. A bicycle industry makes 3,100 bicycles each day. Find the total number of bicycles manufactured for the month of July. So each day a bicycle industry makes each day how many bicycles it will be manufactured? 3,125 bicycles. So here asking in the July month. July month means how many days we have in the July month? 31 days. No. So in the July month how many bicycles they will manufacture? Means we have to take July month how many days? 31 days. Each day how many days they are manufacturing? 3,000. So ఒక్క రోజులో వాళ్ళు 3,125 బైసికల్స్ తయారు చేస్తే జూలై మంత్లో ఎన్ని బైసికల్ తయారు చేస్తారు? జూలై మంత్లో ఎన్ని డేస్ ఉంటాయి మనకు? 31 days. సో ఈచ్ డే హౌ మెనీ? 3,125. ఇన్ ద జూలై మంత్ వీ హ్యావ్ హౌ మెనీ డేస్? 31 ఇంటూ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? 1 5 5, 1 2 2, 1 1s are 1, 1 3s are 3. Over now, next 3, 3 5s are 15. So 5 here, 1 here. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. This is the multiplication. Now do addition. 5 here nothing is there to add. So 5, 2 plus 5, 7, 1 plus 7, 8, 3 plus 3, 6, 9, nothing is there to add. So total number of, therefore, total number of bicycles manufactured in the July month. How many bicycles? Is equals to 96,875 bicycles they manufactured in the July month. This is the answer. So like this, see the fifth one. A helicopter covers 600 kilometers in 1 hour. How much distance it will cover in 4 hours? 1 hour lo oka helicopter 600 kilometers tirugute 4 hours lo ఎన్ని kilometers తిరుగుతుంది అంటే 600 into 4 4 hours kada 4 zeros are 0 4 zeros are 0 4 6 are 24. So how many kilometers? 24,000 kilometers, no? And here asking convert into meters. So 1 kilometer is equals to how many meters? 1000 meters. So we got here how many kilometers? 24,000 kilometers into 24,000, 2,400 kilometers into 1000. Because we are converting here kilometers into meters, no? So do multiplication. 0 zeros are 0. So each digit you have to do multiplication. We will get 24 lakhs meters. అంటే ఒక హెలికాప్టర్ 1 అవర్లో 600 మీటర్స్ తిరిగితే 4 అవర్స్లో ఎన్ని మీటర్స్ తిరుగుతుంది అంటే 600 into 4 we will get 2400 కిలోమీటర్స్ 2400 కిలోమీటర్స్ని మనం మీటర్స్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే 1 కిలోమీటర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 1000 మీటర్స్ కదా సో ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎన్ని కిలోమీటర్స్ వచ్చినాయి 2400 కిలోమీటర్స్ వచ్చింది సో 2400 into 1000 మీటర్స్లోకి కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి అప్పుడు 24 lakh మీటర్స్ మీకు వస్తుందన్నమాట ఆన్సర్ సో 1 2 3 4 5 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ మీరు ఫేర్ నోట్లో చేయండి హోంవర్క్లో కూడా చేయండి